Hey everyone, so I'm back with another tutorial for you today, and I'm using Missouri nail polish. This is Celebrate Red with Pat. Absolutely beautiful. So many different shiny pretty colors in it. And my white polish is from Sinful Colors, Snow Me White. It is one of my favorite polishes. And I'm using clear jelly stamper plate, CJSLC. It's a collab plate. I will leave it listed down below. It is 53. It's a nurse plate. It just came out not long ago, and I know part of the proceeds go to, I want to say, the hospitals, but I'm going to leave it down below and like information about it. So I'm using CJS Clear Jelly Stamper Cuticle Protect around my cuticles. Not really sure what I was going to do yet, so I just put it on all of my nails to be safe, so it's dry and ready. So I'm also using Clear Jelly Stamper's Pink Big Bling. It's one of my favorites. It picks up everything. This stamping polish is not from CJS. It was, I want to say, Color Alike, and it just does not work with the Clear Jelly stamper. So I switched to Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology, because I don't have a black clear jelly stamper stamping polish, which is beyond me. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, this one's clear jelly stamper, and the rest of the colors I use are clear jelly stamper. So I put in Not All Angels Have Wings with a little heart, and I'm taking off the Protect because I'm done with this fingernail. So I'm just going to pop on some music. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. I have an Instagram as well for arts and crafts and planners. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in that. So check out my Instagram for some different pictures, different posts. Yeah, just let me know down below if you have any questions. See you later. Bye.